Lesson 15, Imperative. We use imperative for commands and requests. In imperative sentences, the subject is essentially you, but it is implied only, not mentioned in the sentence itself. Example, be near the entrance. දොරටුව ළඟ ඉන්න. Be active, ක්‍රියාශීලී වන්න. Sinhala version is highly context dependent. List action verbs. Listen to your parents. ඔබේ දෙමව්පියන්ට සවන් දෙන්න. Speak with the teacher. ගුරුතුමා සමග කතා කරන්න. Imperative continuous tense. Be watching the program. වැඩසටහන නරඹමින් ඉන්න. බලබලා ඉන්න. Be waiting there. එතන බලාගෙන ඉන්න. Imperative passive voice. Be advised by your parents. ඔබේ දෙමව්පියන්ගෙන් අවවාද ලබන්න. Be informed. දැනුවත් වන්න. If you want, you can say be informed by them. Make sentences, similar sentences. Practice regularly. Regular practice will improve your English. Use your English or speak English without worrying too much about rules or English rules or grammar. Thank you. To learn English, join with our channel. Subscribe my channel.